have some strong winds again this morning. Direction's a little different, though, so now it's all the Santa Ana wind-prone areas that we typically see. These Santa Anas just whip through, so we're looking at areas up in the Santa Clarita Valley, in through the Santa Susanas, the Santa Monicas, gusting all the way out into Malibu. Really strong winds through the Cajon Pass, just south of it, and then down into the Santa Ana Mountains, some of the Orange County coastal communities, too. So very windy start and very chilly start because these temperatures are already so cold even without the wind. And so just know it's feeling much colder. Winds are going to continue on now for several days, but this Santa Ana peaking today and tomorrow. And then by the time we get into Sunday and next week, they're going to start to weaken. We'll probably just be left with these advisory level gusts. But we do have high wind warnings that are still in place for some of the mountain communities where we could still see some gusts right around 60 miles per hour. We've seen some exceeding that. Isolated areas that have been quickly getting up to between the 70 to 80 mile per hour range. Now we're of the Antelope Valley foothills. We have a freeze warning in place through 9 o'clock. Our temperatures for the afternoons will begin to warm up a little bit still through tomorrow, but we'll start to notice a more noticeable warm up and getting finally above average by Sunday, thanks to this ridge of high pressure and also with these offshore winds. Now, as we head into this afternoon, you can see it's just not going to be changing much through Saturday. We'll get a little bit weaker heading through later this afternoon. They get stronger overnight, and for the mornings as we head into your Saturday midday, still pretty windy, and then they'll get a little calmer heading into Saturday night. And then by Sunday, you'll notice that we start to see these winds remain breezy to windy next week. Los Angeles, Orange County, it's cool today. Make sure you have the jacket. We're just getting up to the 60s, but with winds, it is feeling cool. And then finally, we'll get into some mid-70s by Sunday. Next week, getting up to about 80 degrees for a couple days. So it's going to get warm. Antelope Valley, pretty chilly. Chilly nights and mornings, still cool and cold afternoons until next week. We're all going to see these warmer temperatures. Long-range models now, Tony is showing that update on the potential for some rain.